Hey guys, this is Chef Derek St. Romain. We're out here at the Celebrity Dairy in Siler City, North Carolina. We're out here cooking with our Carolina cooker, and we're about to make a big pot of Cajun rabbit stew. I can't wait to get started. All right, first thing we gotta do is add 1 cup of a nice dark roux. Next, we're gonna add 1 stick of butter, unsalted creamery butter. Next, we're gonna add all of our vegetables, garlic, and bacon. All right, so next we gotta add our rabbits and then our cooking liquid. And then we're gonna let it cook for another hour or so. All right, now we got a mixture of chicken stock and white wine we're gonna add to the mix. All right, folks, it's been about an hour and a half and it is ready. Look how beautiful that is. This is just one more way you can take your game to the next level with Carolina Cooker. Look at that rabbit stew.